Tandem Bank UK honest review. Watch before using banking in the UK is competitive, and most people get it wrong. They stick with traditional banks that offer minimal perks and outdated apps. Tandem Bank is a digital-first bank that promises modern features, budgeting tools, and competitive rates. The surprising truth is how much convenience it can add to daily finances. You won't believe how simple money management can be. Here's how it works. Tandem offers a mobile app where you can open accounts, track spending, set savings goals, and even earn interest on savings. The app provides insights on your habits, categorizes expenses automatically, and helps you avoid overspending. Most people get this wrong. They assume digital banks lack security. Tandem is fully regulated in the UK, uses secure authentication, and protects accounts with advanced encryption. Tandem also offers credit building tools, cashback offers, and competitive rates on savings accounts. For example, users can round up daily transactions to save small amounts automatically, a surprisingly effective way to build a savings buffer. However, there are considerations. Tandem doesn't have physical branches, so cash deposits are limited. Most people assume it functions exactly like a traditional bank. It's app-focused, which works for tech-savvy users, but may not suit everyone. In conclusion, Tandem Bank UK is ideal for those seeking a digital-first, easy-to-use banking solution with modern features and smart tools. It's especially great for budgeting, saving, and staying on top of finances without visiting a branch. Subscribe now for more honest reviews of UK banking and fintech services.